Hi everyone, this video is about essay writing for UPSC mains, and please do watch it till the end if you're taking the mains this year or you're an aspirant preparing for the UPSC exam. Essay writing plays a very critical role in the people who get selected from the mains to the interview stage. And what is it that UPSC is looking for? 3 C's: content, clarity of language, and coherence. There is negative marking even in essay, subject to a word limit. UPSC checks whether the transition from one idea to another in an essay and also from one area to another area while discussing about an essay is logical and coherent. And it checks for simplicity in language without grammatical errors. So to know more about how to structure your essay to score more than 150 marks, there is a workshop that is planned on August 5th, Saturday, starting from 9:30 a.m. till 3:30 a.m. It's a 6-hour workshop at the Delhi campus of Officers IAS Academy. I will be doing this workshop. I will take you through what is the expectation. I will discuss 50 philosophical topics and how to construct ideas for structuring an essay on those topics. And finally, there will be one practice essay that will be provided, which all of you can write, and I will evaluate it and give you the feedback. So whether you're taking the mains this year or you're an aspirant, feel free to register for this course, and the details are given in the description below. I'll see you in Delhi on August 5th. Thank you.